Hold on, Jeezy. You almost there, bro. You are almost there.
I'm trying to hold on.
This a triathlon right here?
I'm at the end of the road. Listen. The only time you see me tired is when I'm cutting hair. I wouldn't be this tired if Fonz didn't come in my chair. Maybe I'll forgive him. Maybe he'll try. Maybe he'll try to do something with his hair next time. See, he's woofed and he's woofed and he's woofed and he's woofed. Then he's woofed again and I'm like, God. And he's woofed one more time. I'm gonna slam down my liners and I'm just gonna yell, no, 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 no. Though we've come to the end of the road, still I wanna go home. It's 11:30. We need to go home. I'm about to go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Fonz, please. I'm done. I'm done. It's unnatural to be up this late. I'm trying to go home. Lock up, Fonz. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I did all I can do. I did all I could do. I'm done. We're going home. We're going home.
Thank you, Velocity Cut. Fast forward, we're like, man, we gotta get some dope transitions. So that's when we start doing all these stunts. He has no ups. You don't have to jump over that.
But it looks more cinematic if you jump over this. It looks like I have ups.
But
it looks like I have ups. Look at it. Bam. See? It looked like I got ups. I jumped.
I know how to fix this. Jeezy.
Wow, you gonna do me like that?
Da da da! Da da da! Why is he jumping like a? Da 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 da! Da 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 da!
You shouted.
But that was good for the vlog. Da da da! Da da da! Da 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 da!
He literally looks like the scarecrow off of the. I just want him to be safe, you know? No! Oh my God! Jason! Jason! Call the ambulance. 911, okay? 911. Call the ambulance. 360 Jesus! Alright YouTube, to start this cut off, I'm going to be using a 2-guard open, using my wall cordless seniors. I'm going with the grain, making sure I go from the crown straight down. And I just want to talk to people that think that they cannot get waves. Now, you know, usually a lot of people think only African Americans can get waves, but that's not true. If you have straight hair like my client has right here, you could get waves. All right, it's just a matter of reaching your curl length. Everybody has a curl length. It's basically all a matter of growing your hair out until your hair reaches that length. So, you know, as long as you got hair, okay, if you pick up a brush and you wait it out, you gonna get waves. So this breaks the whole stereotype of, you know, basically anybody could get waves. Moving on to the taper, I'm gonna set in my bald line using my cordless and this T outliners. Now, I'm putting in this line and basically going in a circular motion, making it like a rainbow-like shape. So using the 2-guard open, using my wall cordless seniors, I'm going to be taking off bulk on the sides. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to use my comb as a guideline to where I need to stop. And I'm just doing this so I can, get a better visual on, my next step. Now with the lever open, using my corners and my corners only, I'm going in that same rainbow shape, going up about 1 inch. The 1-guard open, same thing. Alright, I don't necessarily need to go in that rainbow shape anymore because it's basically just taking off bulk at the top. Alright, so that's what I'm doing, going up about 1 inch, making sure I scoop out. Now dropping down to the 0-guard close, I'm going to take out that middle line in a flick out motion. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Most of the time I'm using my corners and I'm just going to be adjusting as I go up. Now, as far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. I did it in the same way that I did the sides, so I'm just going to speed this up. So right here, I'm going to peel back the hair, just revealing my client's natural line. Because I know it's a lot of you guys out there, wondering like, oh man, he's taking too much off the edge. But when your client woofs for such a long time, the hair tends to overlap. So I'm just, showing you guys where the hair is, and I'm just going to line it up from there. of bulk on my client's lineup, I'm gonna clip her over comb and basically set the comb at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just gonna, make it more of a smoother transition from the lineup to the bulk in the top of the hair. So I'm switching to my Andis Slimline Pro LIs, and I'm gonna line up the vertical bar, basically because with the Andis GTX, it's a lot wider of a blade, so you want to use small blades in small areas. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like any tools that you've seen in this video and you want to know where you could get them, please check out the links in the description below. I got a list of all the tools that I use. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the link as well. If you guys want to know where you can follow me, alright, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Shit.